Welcome to Mars. Due to its brightness and closeness to Earth, Mars has been documented for at least 4,000 years. Thus, it is impossible to credit someone with its discovery. However, the first person to observe Mars with a telescope was Galileo Galilei in 1610. It was named after the Roman gods of war due to its red appearance. In different cultures, Mars represents masculinity, youth, and its symbol is used as the symbol for the male gender. Due to the effects of the iron oxide prevalent on Mars' surface, it has a reddish appearance distinctive among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye. It is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, having surface features reminiscent of both the impact craters on Earth's moon and the valleys, deserts and polar ice caps of Earth. Mars is 227.9 million kilometers, or 141.6 million miles, or 1.5 AU away from the Sun. It takes sunlight about 13 minutes to reach Mars. The furthest distance from Earth is 401 million kilometers, or 249 million miles. And its closest distance can be 54.6 million kilometers, or 31 million miles. Its distance is 225 million kilometers, or 140 million miles. Mars has a radius of 3,389 kilometers, or 2,105 miles, being twice as small as Earth. The diameter of Mars is 6,779 kilometers, or 4,212 miles, slightly more than half the size of Earth. Mars's mass is 6.142 times 1023 kilograms, around 10 times less than Earth. Mars has a volume of 16,318 kilometers square, 163 billion cubic kilometers, which is the equivalent of 151 Earths. The gravity on Mars is about 38% of Earth's gravity. Mars has density of 3.93 grams or centimeters, lower than Earth's density, indicating that its core region contains lighter elements. One rotation or day on Mars is completed within 24.6 hours, while a whole trip around the Sun or year is completed within 669.6 days. Mars' axis of rotation is tilted 25.2 degrees, similar to Earth, which has an axial tilt of 23.4 degrees. Mars has seasons, though they last longer than on Earth, since Mars takes longer to orbit the Sun. The seasons vary in length due to Mars' elliptical egg-shaped orbit around the Sun. Spring in the northern hemisphere, autumn in the southern, is longest season, lasting 194 days. Autumn is the northern hemisphere. Spring in the southern is the shortest at 142 days. Northern winter, southern summer, lasts 154 days, while northern summer, southern winter, lasts 178 days. On average, the temperature on Mars is about minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 60 degrees Celsius. In winter, near the poles, temperatures can go down to minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 125 degrees Celsius. Oh my gosh, man, that is just insane.